Direct replacement. This door window switch retaining clip matches the fit and function of the factory part on specified years, makes and models. Ideal solution. This clip is a reliable replacement for an original part that is missing or has failed due to fatigue. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This door window switch retaining clip is designed to match the fit and function of the original part on specified vehicles. Made of quality materials, it is engineered for reliable performance. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I needed. It's amazing how a window switch bezel that is not seated makes the car look like a beater. These foxed that up right away. My only concern would be that I had to buy 5 of them, when I only needed one, and considering what they are, the price seems kind of high. Anyway, you probably won't find them cheaper, so if you need them, well, here they are.